Bedfordshire champion. All pretty much stood up from yesterday's plantings. I'll give them another day before I see if they need any more settling. I'm going to have to work out how many Bedfordshire champions and red barons I got before I know what spacing I need to put on these. These of course are smaller onions than the exhibition. New additions. Thyme solar powered light for the shed. My new sign. I've got the Bedfordshire champions in now. Quite a nice spacing, 30 centimetres, and 30 between the rows also. So of course they're not nearly as big as the exhibition, so hopefully these will grow to the normal size. Another room here for another 2 rows. I could actually extend this by pulling that back and putting some more compost in here and then getting another row in. So that's all the onions in now. That's about, I'm hoping, potentially 130 something medium-sized onions to last us the whole year, hopefully. My wife said I didn't produce enough last year. The thyme needs a good clear out of weeds again. Simple job. I'll give it another bit of a trim. All is good here. Just don't like these volunteer weeds that are coming. So let me get them out first. Try to keep on top of these weeds. My wife, the chef of the house, likes to use herbs a lot, so we've always got some outside the house. Quite a lot actually. So I try and maintain these as best I can. I have mulched them, and the weed seeds was probably in the mulch actually, but as long as I get this flush off a bit more, there are a few dead bits. Scissors in there should do it. No, that'll need something a bit more hefty. Because these bits down here don't seem too clever. So I'm just hoping the top growth will come over. It's starting to grow now, I can see lots of new leaf on it, and I've got plenty of time anyway at home already, so a few more little weeds in here and get them. If I can't get them, I'll just try and might put a bit spent compost on here now. This is my recycled compost. This might the mulching effect of it, keep those weeds down. Yeah, and that's ready for going by our back door. Repaired the damaged cork coir. Of course I lost a few, but not too many. And this is pretty secure now. Well, it was. So I'm hoping the cats or squirrels or whatever it is keeping off. Now, if you can see, but I've just topped all the cherry tomatoes, so they hopefully start to bush out.